Students, so let us start with the chapter number 6, that is chemical kinetics. Now before we proceed into the chapter, let us take a very simple example. What is a chemical reaction? To understand this, we will have an illustration of three beakers named as beaker number A, beaker number B and beaker number C. Now, what happens in a chemical reaction? It's very simple. Reactant reacts to form the product. So let us say A and B are the reactant which will combine together to form the product C. To understand it, let us fill these two beakers with the red and the yellow color content, and when they combine, they form the orange color product. Right? This is the basic thing which we have studied in our previous standards. Now let us connect this reaction with the speed with which the reaction is taking place, right? So chemical kinetics completely focuses on only one thing, that is the rate of reaction. Few reactions can occur within a span of time. For example, when you burn magnesium in air, this reaction will take place within few seconds itself, right? But turning of milk into curd will take a lot of time, because the rate of reaction differs in both the conditions. So every reaction has its own independent condition called as a rate of reaction. So let us get into the introduction of the chapter, that is chemical kinetics. So what is chemical kinetics? The branch of chemistry which deals with the rate of chemical reactions and the factors those affect them. Remember, we are going to study about the rate of reaction and the factors which are affecting that rate of reaction. For example, the rate of reaction, what does it helps us for? It will help you to predict how rapidly the reaction will approach equilibrium. There are certain reactions which are reversible reactions, right? Correct. So this chapter will help us to identify how much time will be required for the reaction to reach at the stage of equilibrium. Now what is equilibrium? It is a stage where the speed with which product is formed is equal to the speed with which the reactants are reformed. Correct? Now, it will help you for the information on the mechanism of chemical reaction. That how does a chemical reaction takes place, which mechanisms are used for that particular reaction. That will be discussed in this particular chapter.